Okay, so this test fixture has a brightness control module that you can put on here. It's got the PWM output to control the brightness of the LEDs. It's got a brightness increase button, brightness down button, and then this will save the brightness setting to the double, or the, I guess the double E squared on the board. And then this has got plus 24 volts ground, and then it's got the brightness adjustment pin. So this is the kind of weird phenomena that we're seeing. If you just back up, you're gonna have to back up. Okay, when you just turn this on, all right, the entire strip comes on at full brightness. If I turn this off and then move this to another section, and these 24 volt ground, and you don't need to move it in, okay, and the brightness adjustment are all in parallel. And now you can see the middle section is on, the other two sections are completely off. Alright, if I move this down here to one of these other sections here, you can see that's all on, and then if you move it down here to this one, you can see that that half is on, but this half didn't start at all. Alright, so it's very weird. And then if I move it back over here, and like this driver chip over here is extremely hot right now. Alright, I don't have any idea why. And then this, now I go back over here, the whole thing comes back on again. This chip right here is extremely hot. I don't know why. It's very, very hot. This one over here is not, and the one over on this side is not particularly hot, but this one over here is like super hot. So I would suspect there's something going on with that chip over there, because it's blazing hot right now. Then if you put this brightness control module on here, and if I take another strip here that I think was working okay, if you turn this on, you can see that the brightness is set to, and then I can just push this and it'll keep increasing brightness, and this one seems to be working exactly the way it's supposed to. And I put this one back on here, you can see, okay, that I've got this one, which is the correct brightness. These two strips not working at all. If I move this down to another position over here, that one seems like it. This one now is still working. This one is not. This one doesn't seem to be working at all. If you turn this one on over here, those two aren't working at all. So it's some kind of strange phenomena where the PWM or the starting of the strip doesn't seem to be working when you have a PWM on it. I'm not sure.